In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents on Google Sites, a full guide for 2025. Whether you're a digital content creator or managing a team project, having a well-organized Google site can tremendously enhance navigation and user experience. So let's jump right in and make sure your readers can easily find what they need. To create a table of contents, we first need to ensure our site has headings. Headings play an integral role in structuring your content and are essential for generating a table of contents. So let's start by navigating to your Google site. Once you're there, look for the area where you'd like to add this feature and ensure you have some text to work with. Next, we need to add a text box. You can do this by clicking on the text box option in the menu. This allows you to define sections and important points within your site with clarity. Now within your text box, click on normal text. You'll find this option in the toolbar where text format options appear. Change this to heading by selecting the corresponding option. This tells Google Sites that the text is meant to stand out as a section header. Now it's time to give your heading a meaningful name. Type in something that reflects the content of that section. This is important because the text you type here will show up in the table of contents, providing context to your readers. In this tutorial, we'll create two headings as an example. Feel free to create as many as you need for your project. Repeat this process for the second heading to solidify the structure of your site. So again, insert a text box, change from normal text to heading or and type in your section name. Repeat it for any additional headings you feel are necessary for your content. It's all about creating a clear path for your audience to navigate through your materials. Now that you've set up your headings, the next step is adding the actual table of contents. To do this, click on the spot where you'd like this feature to appear. Navigate to the sidebar where you will find the Table of Contents option, usually an easy to find icon designed for your convenience. With one click, it will auto-generate links based on the headings you've set up, displaying them in order for your readers to see at a glance. And there you have it, a table of contents that will automatically update as you add more headings or make changes to your existing ones. This makes your site incredibly easy to navigate and visually appealing to your audience. Remember, having a well-organized structure not only helps with clarity, but also enhances the professional look of your site. Thank you for joining today. I hope this guide was helpful and feel free to leave questions or comments below.